Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Review Hub 2025. Today we're diving into an exciting face-off between two of BMW's most thrilling performance machines, the 2025 BMW M2 and the 2025 BMW M4. Both are absolute powerhouses, both carry BMW's signature M DNA, but they're built for slightly different kinds of drivers. By the end of this video, you'll know which one fits your lifestyle and driving style better. Let's jump in. Starting with the exterior, both cars clearly come from the same BMW M family, but they tell very different stories through design. The 2025 BMW M2 is all about compact aggression. It's smaller, wider, and has that short wheelbase stance that screams ready to attack corners. The squared-off bumpers, sculpted air intakes, and bold twin kidney grille give it a muscular, almost retro feel that harks back to BMW's performance roots. The flared fenders and sporty rear diffuser enhance its athletic look, while colors like Toronto Red, Zandvoort Blue, and Alpine White make it pop on the road. The M2 rides on stylish 19-inch front and 20-inch rear alloy wheels, giving it a squat, powerful stance. The M4, on the other hand, has grown into something more elegant but still ferocious. It's longer, sleeker, and looks more aerodynamic. The signature vertical grille remains polarizing, but it sets the M4 apart immediately. The sculpted hood lines, carbon fiber roof, and available 20-inch wheels all contribute to a more grand touring appearance. It's aggressive yet refined. The M4's LED headlights and taillights have a more intricate design, while its body lines flow gracefully from front to rear. So while the M2 looks like a street fighter, compact, raw, and bold, the M4 feels like a luxury athlete dressed in a tailored suit. Moving inside, both cars feature BMW's latest driver-focused interiors, but with some differences in comfort and space. The M2 welcomes you into a cabin that feels tight, sporty, and immersive. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's curved display, featuring the latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system. You get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen that responds quickly and intuitively. The M2 offers optional M-carbon bucket seats that hold you firmly through corners, although the standard M Sport seats are already excellent. Rear space is limited, as expected from a small coupe, but the build quality and materials scream premium. In the M4, you step into a more spacious and luxurious environment. It shares the same infotainment layout, but adds more premium touches, better sound insulation, optional merino leather, ambient lighting, and more customizable options. The seats are equally supportive, but more comfortable for longer drives. Rear seat passengers will find noticeably more legroom compared to the M2, and trunk space is slightly larger, making it more practical for weekend trips or daily commuting. In short, the M2 focuses on driver engagement, while the M4 balances performance with comfort and class. Now let's talk about performance, where both cars truly shine. The 2025 M2 packs a 3-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine, producing up to 473 horsepower and up to 406 pound-feet of torque. It's available with a 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power to the rear wheels only. This setup delivers old-school driving thrills with modern speed. The M2 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4 seconds flat, and it feels alive, twitchy, eager, and full of personality. The steering is sharp, and its smaller size means it dances through corners like a true sports coupe. The 2025 M4 also uses the same 3-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine, but with more muscle. The standard M4 produces the same 473 horsepower as the M2, but step up to the M4 competition and output jumps to 503 horsepower with 479 pound-feet of torque. There's even an xDrive version with all-wheel drive for better traction and blistering acceleration. The M4 Competition xDrive can hit 60 miles per hour in just about 3.4 seconds. That's supercar territory. Handling is beautifully balanced, though it feels larger and heavier than the M2. Fuel economy isn't much different between the two, averaging around 18 to 22 miles per gallon depending on driving style and configuration. When it comes to technology and safety, both are packed with BMW's latest innovations. The M2 features the new iDrive 8.5 system with voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation with augmented reality, and over-the-air software updates. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The M4 includes all of these features as well, but adds a few more advanced driver assistance options, like a surround view camera, parking assistant, and adaptive LED laser headlights. The M4 also offers additional luxury tech, like ventilated seats, upgraded audio systems, and optional carbon fiber interior trim. Now, let's talk price and value for the US market. The 2025 M2 starts around $64,000, making it one of the most affordable entries into the BMW M lineup. Fully loaded, it might push closer to $70,000, but that's still a great value for the performance and driving experience you're getting. The 2025 M4, however, starts around $79,000 for the base coupe. The M4 Competition xDrive climbs to around $87,000. And if you go for high-end trims with carbon seats and luxury add-ons, you can easily cross the $100,000 mark. So what do you get for the extra money? With the M4, you're buying more horsepower, more technology, a more refined interior, and the option of all-wheel drive. But if you're looking purely for driving fun and that classic BMW M feeling, light, agile, and raw, the 2025 M2 offers unbeatable bang for your buck. And now, let's wrap it up with which car suits which driver best. If you're someone who lives for the thrill of the drive, loves manual transmissions, wants a car that feels alive on twisty roads, and values pure driver engagement over luxury, the 2025 BMW M2 is your car. It's compact, playful, and built for enthusiasts. On the other hand, if you want a more powerful, comfortable, and versatile coupe, something that can tear up a racetrack on Sunday and still handle your daily commute and style, the 2025 M4 is the smarter choice. It delivers the best blend of performance, comfort, and everyday usability. Both are incredible machines. Both carry BMW's iconic M spirit, but they cater to different sides of your driving soul. The M2 is your raw adrenaline hit. The M4 is your high-performance luxury fix. Thanks for watching this detailed comparison between the 2025 BMW M2 and the 2025 BMW M4. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Review Hub 2025, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest car reviews and comparisons. Tell us in the comments, are you Team M2 or Team M4? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video, and remember, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.